Grashdew team has developed a portal for employment which is known as Pay Per Day. Yeah, you heard it right. It is Pay Per Day. Let me explain how Pay Per Day works. For example, there is one person called as Ram who is working in ITIL and he is very expert in his domain. And there is an organization ABC which is looking for ITIL consultant. But they are not keen to recruit someone on permanent payroll. So what organization ABC will do, they will log in, they will register themselves in Pay Per Day as a company and they will post the job. Whereas Ram, who is ITIL expert, will create his profile and he will put his per day rate. Say he will put 4,000 INR as his per day rate or as a consultant. And say Ram is a jobless or he might be working with a company, but in his free time or his unpaid time, he can probably go for this job. And that is how this Pay Per Day portal works. It collaborates the job opportunities with the job aspirants. This Pay Per Day portal is not only limited to the per day allowance or per day rate. It is also works like hourly rate, or it can even give you permanent job opportunities. So it is not limited only for pay per day concept. So if you are a fresher or you are an experienced person, do register to Pay Per Day today, because we are also inviting many of the organizations to join there and share job opportunities as much as they can. Today this portal is designed only for Indian job aspirants, but in future it might increase its reach. But today we are focusing only for Indian job candidates. Why you are waiting for? Go and register today on payperday.in.